Hello viewers, myself anchor Sania Jivani and today we will be talking on BPH. BPH क्या होता है? What are their symptoms? क्या क्या उसके रिस्क फैक्टर्स है एंड क्या क्या ट्रीटमेंट्स अवेलेबल है, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस के जवाब हम जानेंगे हमारे आज के एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर दीपक जोशी से. He is urologist and andrologist in Ahmedabad. He has studied MS, MBBS and DNB in urology. Also, he is right now practicing in Sal Hospital as well as Shubham Multi-Speciality Hospital in Naranpura, Ahmedabad. So let's talk with Dr. Deepak. हेलो सर. नमस्ते. सो सर मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि BPH क्या है एंड उसके सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं?
BPH का फुल फॉर्म होता है बिनाइन प्रोस्टेटिक हाइपरट्रॉफी. एज द टर्मिनोलॉजी इटसेल्फ सजेस्ट, बिनाइन मतलब इट इज़ नॉट अ कैंसर, इट इज़ अ नेचुरल एज रिलेटेड ग्रोथ of the prostate gland. Normally in every male patient there is prostate gland and it increases as the age advances, and normally after age of 50 years normal growth of the prostate happens. The terminology is benign prostatic hypertrophy. The word hypertrophy means enlargement of the size. So then it increases in the size and that causes urinary symptoms in the patient with age more than 50-60 years of age. That is why it is known as BPH. It is an age-related aging process leading to urinary symptoms in the male patient in the late age of the lifespan.
Okay, सर ये कितना कॉमन है इन इंडिया?
BPH is common in all over world. It is a common problem in all the males. The person whose age is more than 50 years of age or 60 years of age, usually 50 to 60% of the male population is having BPH problem. Say for example, I can say 60 at the age of 60 years 60% male patient will have BPH. At the age of 70 years 70% of the male patient will have a BPH. And at the age of 80 years almost 80 to 90% male patient will have symptoms related to BPH. So it is age related process and it increases as the age advances.
Okay, and sir, how is the quality of life affected for the patient?
BPH यूजुअली उससे क्या होता है, BPH की वजह से यूरिनरी सिम्टम्स होते हैं.
Okay.
और पेशाब के सिम्टम्स की वजह से योर क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर सिटिंग इन ए मीटिंग और इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन सम सोशल वर्क और इफ यू आर डूइंग सम वर्क इन योर बिजनेस, at that time if you have urinary sensation then your meeting will get disturbed, your concentration will get disturbed. So it is a major factor affecting the quality of life. Okay. For example, person who has to go for urination in the night times like 7 to 8 times in a night, so his sleep will get disturbed, so his quality of life is disturbed. So BPH definitely affects the quality of life.
And sir, what are the great factors that affect a person while developing BPH?
BPH can be pure BPH or it can be associated with some risk factors. For example,
yes.
Person who is having diabetes will have a more manifestation of the BPH. Person who is having hypertension or cardiac disease or thyroid problem, who is taking some medicine, will have more risk factor. Person who is having morbid obesity, person who is having other comorbidities, for example he is having some other physical problem, then he is having more risk factor related to BPH. Simple patient with BPH will have symptoms, but then person who is having more comorbid conditions like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, obesity will have more manifestation of the problem. So BPH has important factor along with the comorbid condition.
Okay, and sir, what are the various tests that can diagnose BPH problem?
Tests which are required to diagnose BPH are sonography,
okay.
Then serum PSA, then we can do uroflowmetry, the test of the flowmetry, how patient passes urine.
Right.
These are the tests which helps us to, and sometimes CT scan or MRI, which will diagnose that patient is having BPH or not, because sonography will measure the size of the prostate. Right. CT scan will measure the corpus of the prostate. These are the tests by which we can know that patient is having BPH or no BPH.
Okay. Also sir, is there any association of BPH or for the prostate cancer that you just said?
Yeah, BPH can be associated with the prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is a different entity. As we develop other cancers in the body, for example stomach cancer, head cancer, skin cancer. The same way there can be cancer of the prostate also.
Right.
BPH is a natural entity, aging related process, but that is an organ which can develop cancer also. So 20% of the patients who are having chronic BPH, who do not take treatments, may develop other problems in the form of cancer of the prostates, and that is why it can be associated with the prostate cancer.
Okay, so sir, what are the treatments that are available to cure BPH?
BPH can be treated by two ways. One is a lifestyle modification and another is a medical treatment. Lifestyle modification, if patient is having initial symptoms, that can be treated by low volume of the drinking water. He can take some medications like alpha blocker drugs are available. Then he can change his lifestyle. He can reduce his water intake. He can change his diet habits, and that is why he can reduce his symptom. If he doesn't relieve with his symptoms and medications, then he has to undergo surgery. The surgery is available for the BPH, that is known as TORP. That endoscopic operation is available. If he undergoes that operation and they remove extra prostatic glands, then he can be relieved with the symptoms. So mainly BPH treatment is of two type, medical treatment and surgical treatment.
सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट, ओके सर। ट्रीटमेंट्स की जैसे कि आपने दो टाइप के ट्रीटमेंट्स बताई, सो उसमें सर अगर हम ऑपरेशन की तरफ जाते हैं, सो व्हाट आर द मेजर्स दैट हैज़ टू बी टेकन व्हाइल डूइंग द ऑपरेशन, और उसके बारे में अगर आप कुछ बता सके तो ज़्यादा।
प्रोस्टेट के लिए 55 to 60% of the patient will not require operation.
Okay.
They will be treated with either medications or lifestyle modifications. And only 40% of the patients whose prostate is getting enlarged, or those patients who develop retention of the urine, those who do not pass urine, will require surgery. सर्जरी आजकल अभी बहुत ही सेफ हो गई है. पहले के ज़माने में पूरा बड़ा चक्का लगाते थे और ब्लीडिंग होता था, प्रोस्टेट निकालते थे. बट नाउअडेज एंडोस्कोपिक ट्रीटमेंट आर अवेलेबल, लेसर ट्रीटमेंट्स आर अवेलेबल, एंड विद दैट इट्स अ डे केयर सर्जरी. सुबह पेशेंट एडमिट होता है, नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग डिस्चार्ज हो जाता है. So very safe surgery, hardly require blood transfusion, and nowadays equipment and laser technology is available so frequently and so widely that patient hardly develop any complication. So if patient develop complication of the BPH, जैसे कि पेशाब बिल्कुल बंद हो जाना, बार बार ब्लीडिंग होना, या इन्फेक्शन हो जाना, या प्रोस्टेट की साइज काफ़ी बढ़ जाना, तो इन दैट सिचुएशन पेशेंट को कोई वरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. They can safely undergo operation. Operation is relatively very safe, very minimal or practically nil complications, and they have a good life after operation.
Okay, and sir, after operation, what lifestyle modification that a person or a patient has to change it?
Nowadays, because of food habits and stressful lifestyle and lot of busy life schedule, traveling, because of this problem, because of this lifestyle, patient develop many urinary symptoms. I would recommend before surgery or before medications, if patient takes proper health care, good diet, healthy food, healthy lifestyle, good sleep, and proper medication, practically he will not require surgery.
Exactly.
But if at all he requires surgery, and if he takes proper care, for example, healthy lifestyle, that includes good exercise, that includes good maintenance of the weight, वजन नहीं बढ़ने देना, proper food लेना, avoid junk food, बाहर का food, oily food, sugary food, then practically he will have a very simple problem in the form of simple urinary issues. He will not develop major urinary issues, and he can remain away from the operation.
Right.
So good lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, good yoga, exercise, weight control, this will help to maintain good healthy lives.
Right. And sir, as an expert, what advice do you want to tell to the viewers to take care regarding BPH?
I would recommend all our viewers to follow healthy lifestyle. Second thing, good control of the weight. Nowadays, because of the morbid obesity, excessive weight causes lot of problem. Healthy lifestyle includes exercise.
Right.
Second thing is good food, avoid junk food, good quality water, proper medications, and good sleep. Very important thing. Nowadays people wake up till late night, they have a very irregular lifestyle, irregular habits, they eat anything at any time, that creates problem in the body. Hormone balance पूरा अपना change हो जाता है, that causes other problem. So maintain good regular lifestyle, that is most important thing in BPH.
So thank you so much sir for sharing your knowledge on BPH and I hope so viewers कि आपके सारे questions, doubts यहाँ पर clear हुए होंगे and फिर भी अगर आपको कोई भी query हो तो you can definitely get in touch with Dr. Deepak Joshi. He will be available at Shubham Multi Speciality Hospital in Narayanpura, Ahmedabad. Thank you.
Thank you.